Hello everyone, join me as I challenge myself to implement some proven money-making secrets and see how much I can boost my income. Making more money isn't just about working harder or getting a raise. It's about knowing the right strategies and techniques to increase your income. And that's exactly what we're gonna dive into today. Proven money-making secrets that can help you enhance your financial situation and live the life you always dreamed of. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut and no matter how hard you try, you can't just seem to get ahead? You're not alone. Many people struggle to increase their income because they lack the knowledge or expertise to do so. They might have great ideas, but they don't know how to turn them into a profitable business. Or maybe they're held back by fear of failure or uncertainty about where to start. Others might be constrained by time, working long hours just to make ends meet, with no room to explore new opportunities. They might feel like they're trapped in a cycle of debt or financial insecurity, with no clear way out. Or perhaps they're simply unaware of the money-making opportunities that exist, and they don't know how to tap into them. Whatever the reason, the good news is that it's not impossible to overcome these challenges. With the right mindset and the right strategies, anyone can boost their income and achieve financial freedom. So let's dive into some specific money-making strategies that have been successful for others. One of the most effective ways to increase your income is to monetize your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there are people out there who are willing to pay for your expertise. By offering your services on freelance platforms or creating your own online business, you can earn a significant income on the side. Another strategy is to create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software. Once you've created the product, you can sell it multiple times without having to put in a lot of extra work. This can be a highly profitable way to earn money, especially if you have a unique solution to a common problem. You can also make money by investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets. This requires some knowledge and research, but it can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. And finally, affiliate marketing is another strategy that can be very effective. By promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on each sale, you can earn a significant income without having to create your own products. But there's one money-making secret that stands out above the rest. It's a strategy that has been used by countless individuals to generate life-changing income, and it's something that anyone can do. The secret is to create a high-ticket coaching or consulting business. By offering high-level coaching or consulting services to clients, you can earn tens of thousands of dollars per year, working with just a handful of clients. Imagine being able to earn that kind of money just by sharing your expertise and helping others achieve their goals. It's an incredibly powerful way to make money, and it's something that anyone can do, regardless of their background or experience. In today's video, we've covered some specific money-making strategies that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. By monetizing your skills, creating digital products, investing in assets, or starting a high-ticket coaching or consulting business, you can earn a significant income and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these money-making secrets resonated with you the most? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to boost your income and achieve financial freedom.